Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Wealth Unlimited. Today in this video I will teach you how to make a portfolio, and we will be building a portfolio of rupees 20,000 for the beginners. So in this particular video I'm going to tell how I personally pick the companies, what are the fundamentals you need to look in the companies before investing, and what level of risk you should take when you start investing in the portfolio or in the stock market. So not wasting much of the time, I'll tell you that the first thing you need to understand is your risk appetite. If you will ask me what kind of investor I am, I take more risk. I'm more aggressive kind of investor who invest in lot of mid cap companies where I see growth, and lot of small cap to micro cap companies where I see potential which can become multi-bagger in coming future. And definitely I can be wrong in making assumptions or in making inferences from the balance sheets, and you never know what's gonna happen next in the economy. So the first and foremost thing is you need to understand is what age you are at. If you are in your mid 20s or if you are less than 20, then you have more potential to take risk. And what is the amount of capital you want to invest in the market? What is your time horizon, whether you want to invest in long term, whether you invest for the short term. These are some of the basic things you should know about yourself. And next thing comes what type of investor approach you want to take, whether you want to be a conservative investor or whether you want to be an aggressive investor and want to invest in new technologies, or if you want to become a more stable or conservative investor, then you should definitely go and look out for the blue chip companies. Now we will build the portfolio for 20,000 rupees, and I will show you some of my top picks in this particular company, how many shares of these particular company you should buy, and how it can help you in creating more wealth. So the first company on my list is Reliance Industries. Yes, the first company which comes in my list is Reliance Industries, and it is currently trading at a price of 2419 rupees. You can see that the market cap for this company is huge, and it is one of the largest company you will see in India. The stock has given almost 2 to 3% return in last 1 year. But if you will see the max out chart for this particular company, this has given a multi-bagger return since it has been listed on the stock market on 2006 onwards. I must say that this company is a must buy as of now, and you can see that the company is expected to give a good quarter result as well. So the first and foremost thing, you should check the financial sheet of the companies. You should see that what these companies are doing for increasing their sales, what are their operating profits, and do they have any debt, or how does their net profit is increasing or decreasing by any margin. So three things you should look at this. Number one, sales. Yes. Number second, operating profit, and number third, net profit. By this, you will know the fundamental and the health of a particular company, how they are going to do. And you must understand the business. Everyone knows about Reliance Industry. They are into a very diversified sectors. They are into telecom industries. They are into lot of like textile, e-commerce, and everything which is coming up, or like they're trying to put themselves into new technologies as well, which makes it a good bet. So for Reliance Industry, RIL is a short form for Reliance Industries, and the number of shares which we're gonna take here is 1 share, and it is trading at a price of rupees 2419, right? So that's it. So the next stock which comes on my radar is Adani Wilmar Limited. Yes, the FMCG sector stock, the demand is evergreen. Right now it is trading at a price of rupees 646. The stock PE is on a higher level. You can see that the stock P is trading at 104. P is basically price to earning, which tells you about the valuations of the company. But I must say that you should not be considering as the sole purpose to pick the companies. I believe that there are high chances of growth coming in and factoring in the Adani Wilmar Limited. So I more prefer PEG, and I see a lot of potential, growth potential in Adani Wilmar Limited. You can see that the company is fairly new and they have recently launched their IPO. Even if I put to try show you the max chart, you can see that it's been only a year since this company was listed on the stock exchange. It has given good returns. It has almost doubled, and right now it has corrected well from the levels of 800 to 650. So I believe it's a good bet, and one should definitely look to invest in these particular stocks. So the next stock which comes on our profile is Adani Wilmar, and I must say that you should at least have 5 stocks of Adani Wilmar, and the trading price is at 646 rupees. So the next stock which comes on my list is the tech giant TCS. Yes, a lot of people might criticize that why I'm picking TCS, why not Infosys. But again, to be on safer side and to by seeing the valuation of the companies, I find TCS on a much better and a cheaper price against Infosys right now. Look at the market capitalization. It is again humongous, and TCS is currently trading at a price of 3189. The dividend yield is 1.35%, and stock P is very less, 30.1. So TCS majorly they are into, like, products like artificial intelligence, and they are like doing a lot of research and development to grow their businesses in the future. So if you will see that again in the 1 year, it has given almost zero returns, and I believe that this is a right time and opportunity to buy a company like TCS. If you will see the max out chart for the TCS, you can see a one-way uptrend, though it has downfalls in between. But again, it has been and it will remain a multi-bagger for everyone who will invest in this particular company. I have personally invested in this particular company. You can see that the company is almost debt free, and in comparison to other stocks, the market capitalization for the TCS is the largest. So if you talk about the quarterly result, you can see that their sales has been increasing since September 2019. Their operating profit has been increasing, and their net profit has also been increasing. There can be minute ups and downs in the quarterly result, but in long-term perspective, definitely they have been doing a great business in the market. So the TCS is trading at a price of 3189, and I'm gonna put TCS here, and we'll buy one stock, and 3189 will be the price for the stock. Right, the fourth stock which is on my list is HDFC Bank. Yes, HDFC Bank, we can, the bank from the banking sector, it's one of the giant. It is the largest bank right now, trading at a price of 1404. Yes, I see value in this particular stock right now, and for a long-term perspective, it is one of the best bank you can get into your portfolio. It is reasonable. You can see that in past 1 year, it has not given much returns, and I believe, like, whenever there is a turn around in the market, or like whenever there is a new bull run, we have new leaders in the market. This stock has not performed well in last couple of years, and I believe that this is the high time for this particular stock to go up, so that it can take the further NSE index as well as the Indian market on a uptrend. The revenue for the stock is excellent. The profit margins, or the financing profit, has also been increasing, and the net profit for the company is increasing since 2019. There has been a little bit downfall in the June quarter, but I believe with the hike in interest rates, the company is likely to do better in coming quarters. So HDFC Bank, I'll share that you should buy at least two of HDFC banks, which makes the price of 1404. The next stock, the fifth stock on our list is Deepak Nitrate. Yes, the chemical industry stock. I'm making a diversified portfolio. You can see that like I have not taken stocks from one particular industry. I'm trying to diversify my risk. This is a high growth company. It's a mid cap with a market cap of only 25,000 crore. They are into phenolics and specialty chemicals. The company is doing exceptionally well. I have personally been invested in Deepak Nitrates since the price range of 350 rupees. Right now, it has not given a single digit return in last 1 year, but if you'll see its chart from the inception, you will see a humongous growth after year 2018. The company is doing exceptionally well. They are almost debt free, which is a good thing when there are interest hike in the market. And you can see that the operating profit for the company is increasing. The net profit is also increasing. So the Deepak Nitrate trades at 1836. You should definitely go and buy a Deepak Nitrate. Deepak Nitrate for at least like you can invest two stock in this if you want high growth, or you can take one stock in this if you want a high growth stock. The next stock which comes into my radar is Divi's Lab, and it is from a pharmaceutical industry. It's a seasoned stock. It is there in the market from, I don't know, like from 1980s to 90s. It has been like doing exceptionally well in the market, and it has given multi-bagger returns for the investors. The market cap is of 100,000 crore, currently trading at a price of 3786. And they are into the manufacturing of APIs. All the painkillers, APIs are produced by Divi's Lab, and they hold a global position, a global ranking when it comes about manufacturing the APIs. You can see that it has relatively underperformed in the last 1 year. And if you see a max out chart for this particular company, there has been a huge uptrend, and right now it is trading at a price of 37,086, which is almost its pre-COVID level. So I see a lot of value in this company. The stock is almost debt free again. They have given an exceptional result from last few years, and they have been doing it since inception. And this company, I have full faith, and they are likely to grow in future as well. So Divi's Lab or one stock will be enough, and the price for Divi's Lab is 3786. I missed the price for Deepak Nitrate. Let's put it 1850 as of now. And the seventh stock which we're gonna take is, if you want to invest in a power company, then you should go with Tata Power, I will say. And Tata Power is doing great. The results were good for them, and you can invest Tata Power. I'll show you the Tata Power. Just a minute. So yes, you can see the Tata Power company, and they are currently trading at a price of like 218 rupees. Anyone can invest in this company, I guess. So, and the company is doing well. They have Tata Motors, which are coming with EV, and this company can be a huge role player in that particular segment if they comes with good EVs or EV stations. You can see that this particular stock has gone up from the level of 130 to almost 220 in last 1 year, and it is likely to go up because there is a future growth in this particular stock. The market cap is very small. You can see that it is trading, it has a market cap of like 69,000 rupees only, so it can go up and become a large multi-bagger in future as well. The company sales has been increasing. The company operating profit has been increasing, so are the profits. In this quarter, they have done exceptionally well. They have increased their profit before tax to 1062, and their net profit stands 795 crore. So this is about Tata Power. The Tata Power, you can take almost 15 stocks of Tata Power at the price range of 220. And the final stock which I'm going to give you is Renuka Sugar. Yeah, stock from the Renuka sugar sector. It's a very small stock. I must say that it's a very small stock. You can consider it to be penny, not like below 10 penny, but yeah, definitely below 50 penny. And I'm personally invested in this company. This company is going to get benefit a lot from the ethanol blending, as they are the one of the few companies which are into the sugar production. So you can see that this product has this stock has already given good returns in the year. It was trading at 23 rupees in August, and right now it is at the level of 27. It has come down from the levels of 60, but again, I see huge potential in this particular stock, as they have very limited debt, and the future perspective, or like the growth perspective, if you will see, the company profits has been fluctuating, and now they are finally coming to be in positive. So this is a risky stock, so you should not expose your portfolio very much into these kind of stocks. It can hamper your all returns. So at the price level of 50 rupees, you can go for like 20 or 25 stocks of Renuka Sugar, and at the price range of 50 rupees. Right. So your investments, I'll tell you like what is your total investment right now, and you can see that for all these companies how much you will be paying, and again your total portfolio amount which you can invest in this company for like every day. So becomes roughly around 21,832. If someone who does not want to expose himself to any kind of risk can remove Renuka Sugar from the list, and again, if you remove Renuka Sugar from the list, then your price of the portfolio comes down to 20,000 rupees. So this is it from my side, and these are some of the stocks which I would recommend. If you would like to try and build portfolio, you should definitely look out for. Towards the end of the video, give you I would like to tell you that you should invest in businesses you should understand. Like, if you believe in any one particular company which is likely to grow in future, you should give 5 to 10% of your investment of the portfolio to that particular company. You have any other favorite brand where you would like to invest, then definitely you can invest in those stocks. Like, or even the industry leaders, like, you know that you are eating Maggie from so long, the coffee business of Nescafe is going to go along with the future. And you can see that there is Dabur, who has a huge market share in honey. You have Marico, which runs Parachute coconut oil. And if you think that these are some of the products which are trusted by the Indian consumer and are likely to go ahead with in future, and they can do well, then definitely you can look for such companies, check their balance sheet, check whether they are a profit making company, loss making company, read about those companies, what are they doing to expand their future, how they are building their company expansion plan, and you will get to learn a lot from this. And even you will get to know a lot of things from these kind of information about the market and the economy as well. I know the video has become quite large. I'm really sorry for that, but these are some of the stocks in 20,000 portfolio where you can invest. Again, if you want to take a screenshot, if you want to build a portfolio around this particular stocks, you can take a screenshot of this. And one last thing, I should tell you that this video is again like should only used for educational purpose. Please do your own due diligence before investing in the stock market. These are some of my personal favorites, and in these stocks I have invested, and these are the stocks which are there in my portfolio, including Renuka Sugar. I hope you liked the video. Thank you. And if you like the video, please make sure to like, subscribe, and if you have any suggestions, or if you want me to make video on anything else, please let me know. Thank you.